Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to block URL in text field or text area field in formidable forms in WordPress using JavaScript. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our form and we are using formidable form plugin and we are going to block user enter URL in our text field or text area field by using ID. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code, and then in custom code we are going to add text field ID, and then in search plugin write WP code. So we are going to add client side validation code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it, and then you see select the code type. Now select JavaScript snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title, and then you see code per view. Now paste code. So this is our client side validation code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then you see field ID, field underscore ex63. Now go to form, right click on it and then click on inspect. So we are going to find out field ID, and then you see input type text, and then you see ID field underscore ex63. So we are using this ID in custom code. Now you see, so you can add your field ID, and then scroll down, you see inside method auto insert location side by header. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to form page and refresh the page. So this is our form text field. So we are going to add URL. Now select, and then you see alert URL are not allowed in this field. Okay. Now you can write https:/, then add some text G. Again you see alert message URLs are not allowed in this field. So you can customize this message according to requirement. Now you see custom message URLs are not allowed. So in custom code you can add your field ID. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.